suppliers, I mean, when supply is more, like, so next day immediately 10 more people are ready to sell the same vegetable. Okay.
Sandeep, sorry.
Okay.
హలో,
Yeah, bro.
ఇప్పుడు డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిందే మీటింగ్.
జాయిన్ అయ్యాం మళ్ళీ.
సరే సార్, అదే లింకే కదా.
అదే లింక్.
కంటిన్యూ.
So next day 10 more sellers, they're ready to sell this. Okay. Only 10 one person came to me and I said, hey Baba, yesterday I sold this product at 150 and today also you buy it at 150 only, and he will not buy from me. The next vendor, he will call that customer and Baba, I'll give at 120 only.
Okay.
The next person will say, Baba, I'll give it 115. So price will get reduces.
Okay.
Why? Because supply is more. Supply, that vegetable is available in the market at very range. Okay.
Okay.
Supply is more.
Okay.
When there is a demand,
Okay.
price will increases.
Okay.
When supply is more,
Okay.
price will fall. You understood, right, Harish? The logic?
Yes.
Got it. Okay. So one more statement, right? So price will be determined by two forces called demand and supply. Okay. So I told you that example. Okay. You can see here, right? So let me take. Okay. This is me. Okay.
Okay.
This is me. Next to me, there is one more. Okay. Pawan Kalyan. There is one more person. Santosh. There is one more person. Narish. Okay. One more person. Chaitanya. Okay.
Okay.
Just relate to the vegetable example. Okay. And this is you, Harish. Okay.
Okay.
And this is Srinu. And this is Pradeep.
Hello.
Okay. Let's take an example. Okay. That vegetable example. Okay.
Okay.
I am ready to sell that vegetable at 5,252 rupees. Okay.
Okay.
And you are willing to pay 5,250 rupees.
Okay.
And next person, Pradeep Pawan Kalyan, came into picture. I have 50 quantity. I am ready to sell it 5,252. So
Okay.
if we note it down everything on the paper.
Okay.
Sorry. So this is how it looks like, right?
Okay.
So myself is willing to sell 1,650 vegetable, that tomato, at 5,250 rupees. And Pawan is willing to
Okay.
sell 50 tomatoes at 5,252.10 paisa. And Santosh is willing to sell 600 tomatoes at 52,000 5,252.30 paisa. Okay.
Okay.
Me, your price is, my price is very, lower than the other prices. Okay. Here, see, 10 paisa has
Yes.
increased here, 30 paisa has increased here, and 40 paisa
Yes.
has increased. Okay.
Okay.
In the same example, if you go to any market, so where do you buy? Wherever the price is less, right?
Okay.
Okay, wherever the vegetable price is,
Yeah.
yes, less rate, you will go there and you
Yes.
will buy it. Okay. So that is
Yes.
the
Yes.
top priority here. That will be the top. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We will see other side. Okay. You want to buy, Harish want to buy 500 tomatoes at 5,250 only.
Right.
Okay. Other person, he is willing to buy 750 tomatoes at 52,490.20. Next person, 5,249.00. See, here price is decreasing. Here it was 5,250, 5,249.20, 5,249, 5,248.75. Okay.
Okay.
Here price is, rising this side. Okay.
Okay.
Rising here, price is dropping. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You have seen, okay, as a buyer side, what you thought, you want to buy a tomato wherever the price is less. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why my price is at top, because
Okay.
I'm selling it with bit lower than others. Okay. Let's think from the
Okay.
seller perspective. Let's think from my perspective. If I want to sell any product, I'll choose the person who will pay to me, high pay to me. Okay. Among these people who are willing to pay high price, it's you only, Harish only, because you are willing to pay 5,250 rupees.
Okay.
So rest all they are paying less than to you.
Okay.
So I cannot sell this 1650 quantity to this person. Why? Because you are paying 80 paisa than him. Okay.
Okay.
He is willing to buy 5,250 rupees. Okay. You are willing to pay 5,250 rupees. And
Okay.
next person is, he is reducing his price. Okay. I cannot sell it to him because if I sell to him, it's a loss to me. If I
Okay.
sell it to you, that would be better. 80 paisa is a profit to me.
Okay.
So the top order, okay, top order in the order book is, where buy price is high, sell price is low.
Okay.
Among the five. Okay, you can note it down. First order of the order book contains
Okay.
where buyer willing to pay high price than others, and seller is willing to sell at lower price than others. Understood or any doubts, Harish?
Yeah, okay.
Any doubts on this, Harish?
No, clear.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. So what is your price here?
Yeah.
So you are willing to, Harish willing to pay 5250, and I am willing to sell it 5252. Okay. Sandeep
Okay.
Harish, you are willing to pay to buy the tomato at 5250 rupees, and I am willing to sell. Sorry, it should be here. Okay. There is a price gap. Okay. What is that? 2 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
2 rupees difference is right. So suppose the contract is not okay. Okay. We are not, exchanging the products. Okay. Because you are ready to pay only 5250 and I'm ready to sell it. There is a 2 rupees difference. Okay. Suddenly Pawan came. He is willing to sell at 5250. Okay.
Okay.
Now you
Okay.
both are matched. Your both price is matched. Okay.
Okay.
Because even you are willing to pay at 5250 and he is willing to sell at 5250. There is no issue. With me, there is a 2 rupees difference. Okay. Our contract will not execute and yours contract will execute because price are same.
Okay.
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 So stock markets are very faster. Okay. Very faster.
Okay.
Within a second, they will execute 10 contracts. Okay. 1/3 of a second will contract. What I mean to say, the stock markets are very fast. Okay. So they will prices will be changing just like that.
Okay.
Okay. So once your
Okay.
price is matched, this contract will execute. Okay. Later on,
Okay.
you will get tomatoes to your account and he will get price to his account. Okay. That fast it works. Okay.
Okay.
So at this
Okay.
point, okay, whenever there is a price match,
Okay.
at that point,
Okay.
exactly at that point, this is the market price. Okay. 5250 is the market price. At the moment when this contract is executed, this is the market price.
Okay.
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 Let's see. I'll tell you price determination. Okay. How it works. I told you, right? What is the price determination? Price determination will be done by demand and supply.
And that's it. So,
Okay. When there is a huge demand, the price will
okay.
up. Okay. When there is a supply is,
Okay.
price will come down. Okay. Order book.
Okay.
Order book refers to list of buyers. These are buyers. Okay. List of buyers
Okay.
and sell orders. Sell orders. Okay, this side I'm selling and this side you are buying. Okay. For a specific security or a financial instrument. Okay.
Okay.
Contains the orders from sell side as well, buy side as well. Any doubt, Harish?
Can you explain again? This topic on
Okay.
after.
Huh? Okay. we call, right, what is order book? It refers to, order book refers to list of, this is the list, okay? List of
Okay.
buy and sell
Okay.
orders. These are sell orders
Okay.
and these are buy orders.
Okay.
Okay. It
Okay.
refers to list of buy and sell orders for a specific security. It
Okay.
can be tomato, it can be a equity stock, it can be a debt, anything. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Contains the list. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can see the term bid, ask. This is the technical term, I can say, which is used in the stock market. Bid price means, as we see, it is
Okay.
the buy side, right? Buy price. Bid price means buy side.
Okay.
Ask price means sell price. This is not a complex. This is the terminology they use in the market. What is the buy price? What is the sell price? They will not talk in like that. Okay. They'll ask, what is the bid price? What is the ask price?
Okay.
Okay. Just a
Okay.
terminology.
Okay.
Okay. What is the bid price? What is the ask price? You can note it down. Bid price, ask price. You can refer back. Okay. Bid price, ask price. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Let's go back to our example. Okay.
Okay.
You applied NICA. Okay. At 1100 rupees. Okay. You got the allotment. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 12 shares you got the allotment. Let's take 10 shares. Okay. Round off. Okay. 10 shares you got into your Demat account. As we have seen that, right? Opening date, closing date, basis of allotment.
Okay.
Just now you shared your screen, right? We have discussed it. How IPO process discussed.
Okay.
HDFC, you have seen, right, Harish?
Yes. Yeah.
Point for the right, opening date, closing date, vagera, vagera. Okay.
Yeah.
At that one point is
Yeah.
these 10 shares are credited to your Demat account. Fine. Okay.
Okay.
I have applied, okay, but I didn't get the shares. Okay. But I'm sure I want that share.
Okay.
I want to buy that shares at any cost. That's what I'm willing to do. Okay. What
Okay.
was the last time? The listing day, right? In that list. Okay. Listing day, November 10th.
Yeah.
Okay. So that day, this NICA shares will come into market for the first time.
Okay.
Okay. They will list the company in NSE and BSE. Okay.
Okay.
NSE, BSE stock exchanges. You heard, right? They will list the
Yeah.
NICA for the first time in these markets. Okay. These are secondary market exchanges.
Okay.
Okay. So, okay.
Okay.
At what price you bought that share for one share? 1100, right?
Okay.
1100. So by the
Yeah.
when the day the listing date came, right, and they'll put this NICA share in NSE BSE at 1100, but immediately the price will go up. Just like me, there is a more demand to NICA. Just like me, there are n number of people. Okay. Okay. Then this 1100 price will suddenly
Okay.
go to the 2000 when the time of listing.
Okay.
Because why? There is a huge demand.
Okay.
Okay, what is the difference? What is the price here? Difference price? This is the profit to you, right?
900.
Yeah?
Okay.
900 profit.
Yeah.
This is
900.
the,
Yeah.
you are getting this 900 gain at on listing day, right?
Okay.
This is called listing gain. Okay, you can note it down. Listing gains.
Yeah.
Note it down. Listing gains. Okay,
Okay.
listing gains. Okay, when I can see, okay, this 2000 price, the price, right? The price now, price is 2000. Okay,
Okay.
you are satisfied with the 9000 profit. Okay, then you will go to NSE BSE. You will put price. What is the sell? You already have that, right? You need to sell it now. Okay, you will put the
Okay.
price, the price as a 2000, 10 shares. Okay, and I want to buy
Okay.
it. Okay, I am ready to willing to buy 10 at 2000.
Okay.
These two will get executed. Okay, at this point,
Okay.
this is the market price. 2000 is the market price.
Okay.
Okay, so far good, right, Harish?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so what is the next? Market price. Pawan Kalyan, what is the market price at this moment? As we discussed, 2000, right?
Yeah.
Market price is 2000. At the time, immediate time when our contract is executed, what was the price? 2000, right?
Yeah.
Immediately Pawan will come. Okay, I want to buy Nykaa share again. So he will place a market order, means whatever the price in the market, I want to buy it. Okay, this 2000 price will go to 2010 rupees in the market. Okay, within a seconds, fraction of seconds.
Okay.
It doesn't matter to Pawan because he want to buy that Nykaa stock at market price. Okay,
Okay.
it may went to 3000 also immediately. Okay, at a later date, or
Okay.
2050 rupees. Once you place a market order, okay,
Okay.
market order, definitely that contract will execute. Okay, why? Because that market price will get executed at any time. Okay,
Okay.
suppose so what is the company name? Adani Wilmar, right?
Adani. Yeah.
So this is the time frame. Okay, Harish.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what is the time? You can see the bottom. Okay, time here. Okay, in the black. Okay,
Okay.
10:15, 9:45, 9:54. Okay.
Okay.
So when I want to buy this Adani Wilmar at 9:52, okay, exactly 9:52. at a market
Okay.
price, market order. Okay, what is the price at market order? 364.90, right? At the right side corner in the black box. You can
Here.
see the price, right?
Where? Is 354.30.
Here. You can see, you can observe here, okay? The black box will come, okay? At this price, at this
Okay.
point. So if you want to buy at 10.7, what was the price? 365.50.
Okay.
But while ordering any order, if I click on market price, immediately it will execute at any cost, whatever the price in the market. Okay, you will get the shares.
Okay.
So when you go to vegetable market, what is the market price of the onion? If you say if they say 50 rupees and you are ready to pay that 50 prices, you are willing to buy at market price only. Immediately
Okay.
there is no concept of waiting. You will get the onions immediately.
Okay.
Similar example. So in the
Okay.
market, what is the share price there? 365.50, and you are ready to pay, and immediately you will get it.
Okay.
Okay, that is the
Okay.
market order.
Okay.
Market order willing to buy and sell immediately at the market price. This is the okay. You got it right.
Okay.
And next one is limit order. This is a market order. Okay.
Okay.
You go to vegetable market and you ask the market price. What is the market price for onion? They'll say 50 rupees, right? And you immediately will get it. 50 rupees and you get it. Because you are willing to get it market price only, market order.
Okay.
Any doubt, Harish?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. What is next one? Limit order. Okay. Okay, Baba. Good. So now what you have done before? You go to market, you will ask the market price, whatever the market price, you are ready to pay. Just like same. You see the market price at what is the market price here? You went to market at 1044. Okay, you just asked them what is the share price of the Adani Wilmar. They said 359.90. Okay, I'm ready to pay it. You will buy it.
Okay.
You will get it. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
The price slightly will change. Why? Because this stock market works very fast. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have seen that price at 359.90. So while you placing order, it will take 10 seconds, right? So that 10 seconds will vary. So after 10 seconds, it may go to 360.75. Okay. You will get the price at 365.75. That slight change will be there. Okay.
Okay.
One day I will show you how market works. Okay. I'll log into my
Sandeep,
account. Pawan.
ఇక 9 minutes వస్తుంది అది.
Okay. I'll quickly finish it.
అంటే ఏం లేదు, ఇది లైసెన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. నేను పెట్టున్నాను, బట్ ఎందుకనో రావట్లేదు. అది ఈరోజు
Okay,
చెక్
Pawan.
చేస్తాను.
Okay. We'll finish it. Okay.
ఓకే. పైన టైమర్ రన్ అవుతుంటుంది 9 minutes. 9 minutes లో చెప్పు, లేదంటే నువ్వు మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేస్తానంటే చెప్పు, నేను ఇంకో లింక్ తయారు చేస్తాను, క్రియేట్ చేసి పెడతాను.
No. Let Harish to prepare it. Okay.
ఓకే.
So market is order is fine, right, Harish?
Yeah.
You are okay. So what is limit order? So unless you go with the market price, you will say you are confident that this is the market price that it opens. Okay, at 9:30, let's say it was 369.
Okay.
So definitely you are confident that the price will go down today. This is your expectations. Okay.
Okay.
Why should you buy at a higher price if you know that price will come down? Will you buy to at higher price? No, right?
Okay.
So that tomorrow is tomato price will get down.
Okay.
Will you pay high price today?
No.
You will wait, right? You will wait.
Okay. Okay.
And like, price will come down to 360 rupees. Okay. Are
Okay.
you are sure? You did some analysis and you are sure that price will come to 360.
Okay.
At this point, what was the price? 369.
360.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
You will tell to exchanges like that, Baba, I'll place an order now with a certain price, with a 360 price. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
When price comes to 360 only, execute my contract.
Okay.
Until and unless it's come to 360, don't take my order. Okay.
Okay.
When it comes to 360, stock exchanges will get your order and they will execute your order.
Okay.
Then you will get your shares. This is the limit order. Okay. Limit. You are
Okay.
telling the price. Okay.
Okay.
We will mention the price. Okay. Limit order. We will mention the price at which he wants to buy that 360. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Other side also sellers. Okay, Baba. I want to sell my shares certain price only. The seller point of view. He can also put sell order at limit
Okay.
price. Okay.
Okay.
Limit order means will mention the price at which we want to buy and sell side also. Okay.
Okay.
So order will execute only when price comes to that level, 360 level.
Okay.
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 Otherwise, it will not execute. Okay. Stock exchanges will wait for your order because the price is not yet come to 360, right? So let's say you have placed this order at 930. At
Yeah.
what your order is, I want to buy Adani Wilmar share at 360 rupees only. Now, what is the price? 369.
369.
You placed an order, but it will not execute. Why? Because the price is not come to 360.
Okay.
Okay. Exchanges will wait. Exchanges will wait. Okay.
Okay.
At 938, it has not come to 360. Okay. They will wait
Okay.
again. Okay. And
Okay.
here also, it is not come to 362.
Okay.
Exchanges will wait. They will wait. Okay.
Okay.
At this point also, price has not come to 360. It's 360.45. Okay. But not
Okay.
360.
Okay.
Again, they will wait. Okay. They will wait and wait and wait. So whenever it comes to 360,
Okay.
360, I'm not able to place it correctly. Whenever it comes to 360, they will place your order. They will
Okay.
execute your order. Okay.
Okay.
That's how it works. Okay.
Okay.
Please note down this. Okay.
Okay.
Harish. What
Okay.
market order, limit order. You just don't write this thing. Okay. Just note the heading down. You
Okay.
do search on Google. Okay. When you
Okay.
have it, please come to me. Okay. I'll
Okay.
explain.
Okay. Okay.
So you got the process right, how it goes.
Okay.
Just a revision. Equity markets are two types. One is primary market. Okay. Primary market, we have IPO. What is IPO? Why IPO? IPO is two types. Okay. One is
Okay.
fresh issue. Fresh issue
Okay.
belongs to company. Offer for sale belongs to promoters. Okay.
Okay.
What are the parties in the IPO? Promoter will be there. Private lead manager who will take care of all the assignments to the other tasks to the intermediary bodies like brokers, mutual funds. Okay. In
Okay.
IPO, what is the price fixing process? Okay. You may go to fixed price issue or book building issue. In book building issue, there are two. They will give the price range. Okay, floor price and cap price.
Okay.
And also we have discussed over subscription. Okay, over subscription means we have
Okay.
seen that retail investors have subscribed 6.2 times just now before you shared your screen.
Okay.
2.3 times, 3.4 times. That's called
Okay.
oversubscription. Okay. There is no need of underwriter there. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Because it's oversubscribed, right? Underwriter
Yeah.
will come to picture only when
Uh, uh,
only there is under subscription. Okay.
okay.
It's not under subscribed, right? That Nayaka you showed to me. It's oversubscribed. Number of times he increased because
Okay.
there is for one application there are 6 applications. Okay.
Okay.
And that's it. Any doubts?
No, presently, but
Okay. Sir, is my sincere suggestion. Please please spend at least 1 hour what we have discussed. Okay. You
okay.
take that board. What is order book? You just Google it. I told
Okay.
you what is the background of it. You will
Okay.
get to know. Okay. You will get to know.
Okay.
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 And there are some other concepts I'll be covering. Okay. In the next class. Okay.
Okay.
These are very simple. The IPO is a very complex thing, I can say, if you understand it very well. So going forward, it will be very easy for us to understand the other concepts. Okay.
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 You just refer back